That's good.
Yep.
Okay. I
First
like
time
it.
I heard it, I was like,
So, because you hear me on this channel all the time talking about, hey, we're monkeying with this or we're monkeying with that, and I said it a couple of times this morning, so Amanda decided to pull up that song and play it for me because I'm always using the word monkey.
yes, it's Monkeys by the Fat Rat, by the way.
Monkeys by the Fat Rat. So YouTube is going to flag this for copyright, blah 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 blah. So we'll see if, we'll see if we can post this anyway. Maybe we can get away with it. I don't know. What was that? Yeah. All right, guys, that was it. This is a short video just showing that we're playing around here. Look, there's Jack the cat. Yeah, he was squawking, so I decided to let him out, but he needs to get on his leash so he doesn't bolt out the door. Toby's over there. Amanda's right here. And I was about to work on the 630. So, yeah, I'm going to make a video about that. Yeah. Hey, you want to leave that alone. Yeah, you don't want to smell that. That's it.